In this video, we want to answer the question, what is the simplest way to give value to people? What is the simplest way to give value to people? And there are three things you need to do if you want to give value to people. The first thing is to discover their problems, because everybody has problems. So if you can identify what problems people have by listening to them, then you're going to be able to add value to their lives by doing the second thing, which is help them create a long-term solution that requires their input. It's not only to create a solution, but to create a solution that requires them to add to their own lives by themselves. Because really, everybody's solution already exists within them. And by you identifying it, by you coming up with a solution which requires the effort to help you to come up with that solution, you're actually enabling them to become problem solvers in future as well. So you're doing two things. You're helping them to solve the current problem, and you're teaching them that, hey, whenever you want to solve a problem, this is exactly what you need to do. So you're adding value that way. And the third and final thing is to help them to see the potential they have. Whenever you help somebody to see the potential they have, what you're doing is to add value to them. Because too many times people don't have others around them that motivate them or that inspire them to see that they can do this. If you come alongside somebody and you make them see that you can do this, then you're adding value to them by helping them to realize the potential they already have. Alright, that's where we're going to stop. Those are the three ways to add value to somebody or to give value to somebody. This is Boomy Tokan. If you like this video, please like it. If you like it, please share it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, God bless you. See you soon.